Yeah.
All right, now we're doing part 2 of how to change the off and on switch, toggle switch. All right, so I got the old one off, got the grounds off, both grounds, and the wires. So here's the new one. All right. So make sure it's going in the right way. Just bear with me. It takes a little time to get everything. It might be faster now because remember, you want your power source to be off. And I'm putting it into the groove. Put it in. If it breaks off, you can splice it. Take a little bit of the wire off, the cover, so you can start over again. Make sure it's in there. Once you get it in there, screw it on. I'm trying to put it all the way back in there like it was originally on the other one. Okay. So then the next thing that I want to do is put the ground back here. Right? Flathead. Double check so they won't come loose and touch each other. Then the ground. New wire. So I gotta open it up a little bit. Sometimes you have to adapt and overcome. Make sure it's flushed so it won't disconnect. And before I even put it all the way back in there, I'm just going to run and turn the power on to see if everything's connected. Come back here. Voila. We have light. The Lord said, God said, let there be light. And there was light. So basically after that, the only thing you have to do is just pretty much, Put it back in there as it goes. That's it. This is Elder Andy signing off. God bless.